Getting ready to replace the body mounts on your Ford truck? The Beech Lane custom-engineered silicone body mounts will improve the clanky, bumpy ride of your stock mounts. A narrower steel cup lip design and form-fitting upper bushing allow for proper bushing expansion under torque, unlike other competing low-cost silicone mounts. Beech Lane only uses high-grade silicone that is engineered specifically for a long-term high performance and longevity that you can trust. The Beech Lane mounts will deliver a superior ride than competing cheap, squeaky, and stiff options. There's no getting around it. Replacing your body mounts is a pain. But with Beech Lane, you can be sure the mounts that you're installing will deliver the performance and lifespan that you'd expect. Designed for a perfect OEM fit and verified fit tested in the USA. Install them once and never worry about replacing your body mounts again. Beech Lane is an American company located in North Carolina and features USA-based product support. The silicone body mount set includes a lifetime manufacturer warranty. Upgrade your body mounts today.